This tutorial shows how to create membership plans, how members sign up, and how admins assign or customize them. Your logo is the name of our sample community. From its feed, select Manage. Then open Monetization, choose Plans, and select Create. In general, add the plan name, description, and image. Cancellation notice sets how early members must cancel. Status enables or disables the plan. Visibility controls whether members can find it. Pricing defines the recurring amount, billing interval, and tax rate. Upgrades are optional extras members can book. Resources add included services or credits, individually or in groups. Create the plan. Its edit view includes a shareable registration link that takes members directly to this offer. For the member journey, start on the community login page. Members can register themselves only when the community is configured, so everyone is allowed to sign up. In that case, select Sign Up to open the Public Plans page. Compare the plans, open one, and select Choose Plan. After choosing a plan, it stays visible while the member creates an account and continues through the remaining billing and review steps. To assign a plan manually, open the member in the admin area, choose Assign a Plan, and select the plan for that member. Choose Customize before confirming when this member needs different plan details, pricing, upgrades, or resources. Save the customization when it is ready. Review the subscription schedule, trial, collection method, and invoice preview. Then select Assign Subscription to finish. Create the shared plan once, let members join it directly, and use assignment or customization for individual cases.